Here we have an emergency braking system on a Volvo truck. Oh my! Oh my! So we have actually a compilation of emergency braking on big rig trucks made by Volvo, obviously. And I don't know, are some of these look like tests, whereas others,
right?
This is a test showcasing how well it works. It's pretty amazing.
Yeah, I was very impressed.
But this one,
oh my God,
it's just...
it is flying too.
And the person
running.
What
was that, Mo?
Doesn't that make your heart skip a beat?
Was that a?
A couple of guys talking about love.
That's right. The first clip is just nutty. There's kids running across the street. It's definitely a real recording. They're blurred out, and the truck somehow manages an auto stop.
You notice how like the tip of the front of the truck really starts to lean forward.
Oh yeah, it's slamming. Those brakes are slamming. And if I'm that driver, I am like, or if I'm the kid, or everybody, and if I'm anybody involved, that is as close as you can possibly get to death.
Hey, wait a second. We'll go back a bit. Right here. Look at that. It's not a real...
No, that's a test. Yeah. That's from a test. Why would they smash a car if they don't have to? It's an inflatable car to mimic an actual car. But these systems have come a long way, and everybody talks about EVs and stuff and self-driving, but the truth is a lot of cars have gotten better at this, and trucks and big rigs, and these systems that are in place now, I'm positive there's lives been saved, and that's an amazing thing.